literally all of these here that I could pick as a really good answer. All of these were correct, okay? So what I was looking for to get this done correctly was that this plus 13 became minus 13, and whatever you did to one side, you did to the other side, okay? From there, that plus 13, that minus 13, effectively they cancel out, leaving just the 7x. So look, 7x there, and then that equals 35 because 48 take away 13 is 35. And then because there's a 7 in front of the x, we divided both sides by 7. Okay? Answer was 5. So like I said, all of those were correct. So well done if that was one of you. I'm going to go through in particular order. I'm going to start with this one here, which actually has the right answer, but there is a mistake in it. So can you talk to the person next to you for 20 seconds? What is the mistake and how can we help this person? Okay then, Tree, Di, and Ian. Okay then, mistakes. What are they? They plural or what is it? One, singular. Which one is it? Fionn.
They put a 0, not 7 there.
Do you know why they put the 0 there? I think I know. I mean, I don't know. I know whose this is, but it's really not up for debate whose it is. I'm not going to ask them why they did it, but I know why I think they did it. Tara, why do you think they did it?
Is it because
I mean, 13-0. I think so as well. So is it a silly mistake? I don't think so. What we tend to write, if there's 0, is you just say nothing, so you need to write it, okay? But you're absolutely right, Fionn, that they've missed this 7x needing to be there. So it needed to say 7x was there. However, does this person fundamentally not get solving equations? I don't think so, because they still divided by 7 there, and then 35 divided by 7 was 5. What's the other tiny mistake we've got here? John? Yeah, it's important you say that. You can't say it's x5, that means something different, okay? You've got to say x equals 5. It's very important you actually say that. So, not a massive mistake there, but certainly something to think of and certainly something to watch out for. You know, we learn from making mistakes, we learn from sharing mistakes and talking about them now. Next mistake I saw was this one here. Again, 20 seconds, have a go. What's the mistake? Talk to each other. Okay then, 3, Di, and Ian, stop there for me. Blake, you passed the question earlier. I'm looking for you to help me out now. Any idea what the mistake is here? They forgot to divide. I think before getting to that, you're absolutely right for starters. I think before that they've forgotten to do something else as well, which as a result has made them forget to divide. Grace? Well done, that's what I think. Has anyone got any different? Obviously, I don't actually remember who this one was, and like I said, it didn't matter who it was anyway. But if I was looking at it, I would say this person literally just forgotten to write the 7. Sometimes you see people actually do 7 take away 13, which is minus 6. It's a case that the numbers deal with the numbers. That x must just stay as 7x. I think that is why they've subsequently, as a result, forgot to do dividing, which would be spot on there. Beck, anything to add? Because they hadn't written the 7, they couldn't do the division. Yeah, that's one of the points I was trying to make. But yeah, I'm glad that you're picking up on that as well. Yeah, they said, oh, it's not needed. Yeah. So advice to this person, whoever it was, make sure that the coefficient always stays with the x. Okay, so something to watch out for. Next mistake I saw. Discuss 20 seconds. Does this person get equations? Definitely. They've done no division in this operation, but to add in the then just get 7 and 10 and that's easy. Okay, treat time and Ian, James starts off. Big mistakes or small mistakes that can be easily rectified, what do you think?
Oh, they didn't put the answer in.
Yeah, so do you think it's a massive mistake that do you think I'm thinking as a teacher going, oh, this person really didn't get this and I have to do loads of work with them, or do you think I'm thinking, oh, that's really easy to solve? Which one? So, yeah, I think so. I'm not worried about this at all. Go a bit further. Why do you think I'm not worried? Go on, James. The methods are spot on. Yeah. I was looking to see a minus 13 and a divide by 7. Can I see that? Or I can certainly see the minus 13. Can I see divide by 7? Yes, but we just need to tell this person not to include. Yeah, so you just divide by the number. What can we tell them to do to improve? Because they're the two steps I need to see. What can we do to improve that answer further? John? Put the answers in as you're going along. So plus 13 minus 13, that cancels leaving 7x. They obviously knew that though because they wrote divide by 7x there. Okay? And then 48 take away 13 is, that's 35. And as we had already picked out, we didn't leave the x's there. So divided by 7 would leave us with an answer of x equals 5. Okay, so like I said, very, very, very easy. Rectified. Last one which had a mistake, but I think we probably only need about 5-10 seconds on that. Go, what's the mistake?
James.
Okay, and Tree, Di, and Ian. Anyone think they spotted the mistake? Beck? That's it, as far as I'm going. Go on, anything else? Go on. Okay, to me that looks like maybe, if I assume what went well, even better if, my what went well would be what? What would be my what went well? John? Yeah, method spot on. Okay, spot on in terms of this person's understanding. Even better if, go on then, what are you going to say even better if? Presentation, yeah. Clear, legible, all great words. Clear, working out, needed. Because that could, I'm not being very clear here though, am I? Working, I can even spell that, there we go. Clear, working, please. In terms of when we're marking stuff, if you're debating whether that's a 2 or not, that ain't a good sign. That means that someone who's marking your work, i.e. an examiner, they could also be having that debate and going, oh, should I give that or not? I mean, benefit of the doubt, because that says divide by 7 there, I would have given that 4 marks. Okay, the only mark I would have taken off was they obviously ran out of time, so I gave you, what, a minute? Okay, so, mistake, there wasn't any, they just needed a bit more time. Best thing you can do in an exam is just keep on showing all your lines working. This would still pick up a lot of marks here, you'd lose literally just 1. So you're talking minimum, in a GCSE this would be marked at 2 marks, you'd probably get 3 if it came up in the end of year 7 test. You'd still get 2 out of 3 for that. Okay, lovely stuff, well done.